Will the Witcher fans finally get their hands on season 4 soon? Um, Before we dive into the latest news, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that like button for more updates on your favorite shows. Uh, it's been a long wait, but it seems like the wait might be over soon. Freya Allan, the talented actress who plays Ciri, recently shared an emotional post on Instagram hinting that filming for season 4 has wrapped up. The post featured artwork of her co-stars, Christelle Ellin, Aggie K. Adams, Ben Radcliffe, Fabian McCallum, and Connor Crawford, all part of the group known as the Rats. Allan expressed her gratitude towards her co-stars, making it a memorable journey for her. Although the post doesn't confirm the end of filming, Liam Hemsworth's previous statement suggests that he had only 3 weeks of filming left in early October. This lines up with previous remarks from him as a new main cast member in The Witcher. So when can we expect season 4 to hit Netflix? And previous seasons have had a maximum gap of about 11 months from the end of shooting to airing Monday. This could mean that The Witcher season 4 might debut on Netflix in the second half of 2025. New companions will join Allan in season 4, and fans are eager to see how the show will continue without Henry Cavill, who left due to creative disagreements. Despite some apprehensions, fans can take comfort in knowing that filming has been enjoyable for Allan, and the new traveling Groot, including Ciri's interactions with the Rats, will significantly impact her storyline moving forward. Or if you do 1% of the other matter, it casts. With that said, thanks for watching. And until next time, I'm next time.